Here's my newest bee journal that I just finished. I've added twine in the middle of the two signatures and made bows so I can hold the tassel, but that comes right off. The tassel has some coordinating fabric strips and a button here, and I did some wire wrapping at the top. So let's get into the journal. It's approximately almost 9 inches by almost 6 inches. And I've been decorating these covers with a pocket, and that holds a tag. And so these papers are the Busy Bee papers, My Porch Prints. And I put this, this is just threads that are just wrapped around, and I did a zigzag stitch over top. And on the inside cover is the pocket I make of snippets and ruffles and just various things. And I also sewed on this beautiful charm before I finished it. Some tags. Beautiful pages from the kit. And this honeycomb is from Busy Bee coin envelope kit as well. So you see coin envelopes in here. So I print on 65-pound cardstock for the outer signature pages and the inside center pages, just to give them a little more structure. See some beautiful images with the kit. This is a belly band with an acetate window and a sticker on the top, and I have a tutorial on how to make this, which I'll link in the description box below. Here's a little specimen slide, and I've just added a sticker over the top, and there's book page under there. And I saw that idea on Purring Cat Studio YouTube. And so I just attached it with a ball pin to this ruffle. More pretty papers. These are coffee dyed papers, and you can see the name of the maker of the pan that I used to put them in the oven. So here's some coin envelopes, and there's 2 of them here, and I just used this paper clip to put them together. So each envelope has a little tag inside, just using offcuts. So all I did was put the flap of one in the other, and then put it over top of the page. And then the flap of the other one goes over, and then the paper clip. There's a little cluster. There's the other coin envelope. So in the middle I put an envelope. And I just made this envelope myself and then added some offcuts and some book page at the back. I just made this from plain cardstock, and then I added the pretty papers to the flap, and then that just has a little postcard inside. And that can just slip right in there. So this piece of twine holds the envelope on this side, and it holds the tassel on the outside. Here's a belly band made with offcuts, and just a piece of coffee dye paper that I did some sewing on. And this belly band has a couple of eyelets at the bottom and some twine, and I just wrapped some fabric. Just give it a little more pop. There's a tag. It's very thick. I made it out of corrugated cardboard as the base, and then just added some pretty papers and fussy cuts. Here's a hidden paper clip with a dangle, and I did some wire wrapping on that bead and just put these all together, and I have a video on that too, which I will link below. Here's the center of the signature with some little dressings on the bottom there, some ruffles. So at the back I made this elastic holder, and this is made with 2 tubes, 1 tube, 2 tubes, and then I just put the elastic in and glued them down. I have a tutorial on this. It's great for holding lots of ephemera, bulky stuff, an envelope, and a mini book, because there is room here. There's enough room to hold a little bit of bulk, and you can see it's not too bad. It's not too bad for the gator mouth aspect of it. So that's my bead journal. I will be giving this to a friend. I hope she likes it. Thanks for joining me today. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye.